Hey, what's up, guys? Dylan here, Space Cadet Crypto. Welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about my favorite altcoin here, Vechain, and has recently gotten a lot of downside in the past couple of days because of this crypto market crash. But is it dead? We're going to be going over some news on Vechain and potential price targets we can see in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want some critical updates on Vechain or any other altcoins, and let's jump right in. Okay, so one of our biggest piece of news that we have is Vechain recently was featured on Fox Business here on the Fox News channel when they were talking about cryptocurrencies here, picking the winners and losers of cryptocurrency, because we did see a huge market dip. And I said here in an interview, host Charles asked, everyone's tweeting about Vechain. Any thoughts? And they said they responded back with, this is definitely one of the better bets in the crypto space. So Vechain, vet, for the Vechain family here. This is great to see here. Just another good publicity for Vechain and showing that it is a safe bet and a better bet in the crypto space, because we're seeing a lot of altcoins have massive dips, and we're going to be seeing in the next couple of days, once we see that recovery in Bitcoin's price and all these other altcoins are going to follow, we're going to be seeing who actually are the safest bets or the better bets, because we're going to know the faster the recovery of these altcoins, the better they are and the stronger they will be in the long run. And if we see some other altcoins that are starting to suffer, stagnate, even if the whole marketplace is going up, that's how you know that those are weaker projects and they have less going for them. But we do see here Vechain still has a lot of positive potential here, and they do see that they are one of the better bets in crypto. This is great to see for Vechain. We're also seeing here Vechain recently was used to collect, record, and monitor data for their blockchain technologies here. It says 305,000 kilograms of plastic waste from the oceans and rivers are verified to be removed by ReCP using Vechain. It says Vechain was used to collect, record, monitor, and collect the data securely. We strive to create real value using this blockchain technology, and they put Vechain and VThor. So this is awesome. They use this project right here, Vechain, to monitor and collect their data. And this can be implemented everywhere. It has such utility when it comes to these companies in this space that it can be used anywhere. Even we saw before some news on Vechain with the KN95, they were using their NFTs to verify the authenticity of these KN95 masks during the pandemic when it started last year. So this is great to see here. Another innovation for Vechain using its blockchain technology in order to secure data, and the implementation for this and this blockchain, this technology is limitless here, and Vechain is starting to branch out again and show its color. So this is another great reason why I don't think Vechain is dead just yet. Another update we do see here is that Vechain developers are presenting their new version 1.5.0 Thor software update to bring you Vechain core developers more compatible updates with the EVM. And if you don't know what EVM is, it is the Ethereum virtual machine, and it's a bridge between platforms here to connect Vechain to more developers on the Ethereum blockchain. And it says Ethereum, the virtual machine here is going to be connected and will activate this ETH hard fork in order to maintain compatibility with the latest Ethereum virtual machine. More details there. So that is great to see here too. Vechain is still constantly updating its software, its blockchain, and it's implementing new ways to use it here with the EVM. And that's huge, because once it connects and has better updates with the EVM, it has more access to these developers on the Ethereum platform here as well. So this is awesome to see. It's building bridges. It's not building up walls. It's building bridges here and adding more compatibility to its software and just increasing in general. So that's another reason why I think Vechain is not dead just yet. But now let's look at the chart and see what exactly happened. How bad is this dump, and where can we see more continual downside, or will it come back up and recover to new all-time highs? Let's jump in. All right, so we are currently seeing Vechain here at 10 cents at the time of this recording. It was breaking down here from all-time highs at 24 and 8 cents here, and we do see this just giant drop to the downside, but we are consolidating in this descending, broadening wedge right here. And are we going to make that recovery? Are we going to retest this area? Well, let's find out. Right here, we are seeing some more price dropping at the time of this recording. And we do see that we could make a double bottom here. We can make a W reversal pattern here with a neckline right here at 13 cents. Let's zoom in a little bit more to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so we are here on the 4-hourly time frame. We do see this W pattern that is forming. If we can hold this, we are seeing a big wick to the downside, so that is also a good thing to see. But we have to make it up here to retest this area of the neckline at around 13 cents. And once we make that as support, we can retest this other resistance and make our way through this huge resistance that we found as support so many times before. Here as support, here as support, until we broke down and came and became trading in this lower range. So this is very important. Between the 14 to 16 cent range is a very strong resistance. Let's also look at our EMAs as well. So we currently on the 4-hourly right now, we are seeing our 200 EMA acting as huge resistance right here, where we saw the beginning of the downfall for Vechain. And we are seeing now this 21-day moving average after its bear cross and death cross right here. We are seeing it act as dynamic resistance. See how it's just blocking the price from coming back up here. So it's very crucial that we do break this resistance right here. We found some wicks to the upside, then a quick rejection down here. So we have to retest this area of the neckline right where the 21 moving average is at also, and also right here, these 250 moving averages as well. So that's what it's looking like in the chart for Vechain. We are still in this oversold region. We did have a nice come up, but we rolled back down in this area, and we are finding more increased selling pressure here from the selling volume getting bigger. So what is in the charts for Vechain? So if we take our swing high to our swing low, we can see from right here at the top at 25 cents all the way down here to 5 cents. It went down. Comment down below if you bought the dip here at 5 cents for Vechain. That would have been a steal right there. And from our swing high to our swing low, we do see that it's very confluent with our areas of take profit here at the 1.272 area at 30 cents, our 1.414 at 33 cents, and our 1.618 at 37 cents. And that is also confluent from this swing high to this swing low with my other swing high to swing low here back in at the middle of April that has the same price targets here at the 32 cent mark, 34 cent mark, and here are 1.618 both match up here. So that's why I put this white line right here. It is both at 37 cents. So that's what we can see as potential price targets for Vechain in the future, but we do have a lot of resistance to break through in order for that to happen. But do keep in mind that this descending broadening wedge is a bullish pattern as well. So we could see a price move increase to the top of the wedge, retest this critical support. And once we break this, it's clear skies here till we reach these price targets up above. But those are huge moves up ahead. I will be updating you on the latest price action for Vechain as well. We do have a lot of resistance, but we are forming a double bottom. So be on the lookout for that. Stay up to date. Remember to like and subscribe this so it goes out to more people. But that is it for this video. Peace out.